can do it. Somebody tell me I can do it, because I can do it. Please, do it small, though. Mommy, hey,
your eyes talking for you.
What's up on the time? When I just try, when I drop a song, I go need to dance. They work, I couldn't get it, to do my plans. Then I find the sound, I'm on the sound. I know get the name, I know sing the sound. Sound, I'm on the sound. I want the precise. For my city gone. You know be run from who you are, man. Waiting go be man is cast in stone. But do below long power sandu. But why titi mo de sham you? I do below long to come yo. Kale ma jon kale she kale ma yo. Oh you alone. My mama leave me, yeah, you know long. Lost myself and I found my purpose. Yeah, every day I know that I am blessed. So tight because you love me. Yeah, they can do me. Nothing man no face, vibe to pay. These kind of things in a life.
Give me something I'm not. I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me, only you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you.
I'm going to wax for the first time. I've not tried it before, and I'm going to vlog my experience. So if I'm going to see my first time waxing, don't laugh at me, oh. I beg, I beg. We have a lot of clients and they do space for us for 2 hours. Then there's no space. People are waxing. People can carry this pay. We're going to wait for them to like be free because we don't have any free spaces now, any free stuff. When they are done, when they have time to take the stuff. We are paid and we are waiting.
All these sexy girls in the club, up, up,
I can do it. Somebody tell me I can do it because I can do it. Wait. Oh, someone hold my hand. Please, do it small. No. Oh my god, it's painful. Wait. Ah, okay, the game's not even smiling. Please, I'm not doing it again. Let's get collect our shit. Abi, you're done. Careful. You just started. There's no fun here. It's mommy. Hey. Hello guys, I almost died. Jesus, this pain is because of what? And you'll be seeing all this influencers going to Gambia.
You see all these sexy girls in the club, up. Oh girl, I wanna hold on you tonight. Every time you walking out the club, girl, I want you to be mine. Girl, I want you in my life, I swear. Teasing me, I feel you feeling me. Your eyes talking for you, make you say focus on me, focus on me, focus on me.